take a thin slice of a piece of timber. Got one of these burl just cleaned up the edge. So you're using a large piece of timber on one side of the blade, then just run it through. Beautiful. Now our good mate has taken a slice off. Nice thin slice. And there you cut a burl down. Get the most out of it. Need a good bandsaw. What do we got here? We're using a Laguna bandsaw. Just a good solid piece of timber and away you go. Notice how his fingers aren't anywhere near the blade. That's probably why he's still got four fingers and a thumb on each hand. There we go, our 2 bits of timber sliced through. This one is about 10-12 mil thick. And left the rest of the burl on this one. There you go, that's how you split them down on a bandsaw.